Papa Melo, who lives a meaningful life and left behind a beautiful family and legacy. To all present today, to show their love to Ella Cortez Arbayan, good afternoon. I am honored and delighted to share about the life and accomplishments of Ella and to pay homage also to a woman who have played a huge part in my life, my true friend. It is difficult to put into words one's lifetime accomplishments. There are not enough words in the dictionary to eloquently describe character, value, or demeanor. To condense the life of Ella, I pondered to look for the right words, so allow me to articulate the life and accomplishments of Ella Cortez Arbayan. In the year 2004, Ella was hired as a teacher of St. Michael's School until January 2006. After her resignation in St. Michael's School, fortunately she was given a permanent item at Loretta Herrera Rosario National High School, Lanuza, Surigao del Sur. She served the said school for 16 years as mathematics teacher. In the year 2021, she got promoted to a Master Teacher 1 that made her move to Bunga Integrated School, still a barrio school of Lanuza. Ella has served Bunga Integrated School for almost 2 years. Then last year, an opportunity came for Ella to be transferred to Cantilla National High School, much nearer to her residence. So last year, nabatid si Ella sa Cantilla National High School. Kung ako ang isang masalamat na nabatid siya, kaysa suyod sa 17 years, nagservisyo siya sa Lanuza. So, oportunidad na para makapili siya sa kalagdaan. As a mathematics teacher, Ella has won numerous awards as a coach in various competitions. She has brought honor and glory to the schools where she served. Si Ella, isa ka-active na magtutudlo, isa ka-active na teacher. Diin, nakapot sila sa lain-lain lugar para mo-join sa mga contest o mga trainings kahit pates siya ng Division of Surigao del Sur o even sa school kung kahit sila nagtutudlo. Ella was described by her learners as a very kind-hearted and sweet teacher, a loving teacher, a jolly teacher, who has a smile always ready to share to her learners. Pwede sila magpahiro, mag-smile sa isang mga estudyante. Buwata ang maestra, mag-describe ng isang mga estudyante. Hindi mo sila may bayan na dahil sa mga problema, ay pwede lang sila mag-smile. Ang usawan sa Ella Cortez Arbayan. As a public servant, we can summarize Ella's experience and accomplishments as the triumvirate of Department of Education. In short, si Ella isa sa sinaligan sa Departamento ng Edukasyon. To her family, Ella is a very strong and lovable mother, an understanding wife to her husband. She always worked hard for her family. Her family is always her priority. As a friend, Ella is a very true friend. She gave us pieces of advice that help us with all the silver linings, and we will always forever treasure those pieces of advice na isang nagpatak sa akin. Si Ella is also an active member of the community and church. Isa sila ka-aktibo na membro sa kalagdaan. Isa ka-aktibo na residente ng kalagdaan. O aktibo isang sila sa simbahan. Ella will be remembered for many things. I say that with all earnestness. Her passing is a cue that our stay in this world is not dauntless, and that like her, we should make the most out of our lives What more